Welcome to this new session of the video. On the last session of the video, we talked about writing and reading. Now on this session of the video, we want to talk about discussion. Now the discussion settings page allows us to moderate comments that comes into our WordPress site or our WordPress platform. Okay, so if you want to approve comments and anything, this is the video session you need to watch. So the discussion settings, it has the default article writing settings, the other comment settings, the email me whenever setting, the before a comment appears, and the comment moderation settings. We also have a comment blacklist, avatars settings too, and default avatar. So for now, we want to talk about the default article settings. The default article settings has features such as attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article. Now this link to from the article has to do with ping. Okay, so I'm not going to take my time to explain that because it's actually a different option, but we could actually utilize this one to use tools like discourse comment. Okay, so just gonna leave it that way. And next one we have is allow link notification from other blogs. That's pingbacks and trackbacks. Now pingbacks and trackbacks is that when someone comments on our blog, I'm gonna give an instance. When someone comments on our blog, say right here, they come to our article and comment right here. Say hello, Ziri, Imego, Emmanuel. Thank you for teaching me WordPress. I'm going to hypnotize you with my name. Okay, so I'm going to post this. Now, I'm logged in though, but if I'm not logged in, okay, and I try to access this site just to copy, refresh, I will see an option for website here. Okay, and if I put oziriemeka.com, which is my site name, and I put my comment and my name right here, okay, now the moment I post on this stuff, okay, it's going to send a track back to my website saying, oh, I have done a comment on this place. Okay, now pingback does is when there's a reciprocative link coming from my website and to his website, identifying that there's actually a link of his own website on mine and a link of my own website on his. Crazy, right? Now the next one we have is allow people to post comments on new articles. Now if you don't want people to post comments on new articles, so you click on this, and if you want, you check the box. Now this setting may be overridden for individual articles. That means there's option for us to override the settings when we post them just one by one. Now the other option we have is other comment settings. I'm just going to pick on the most important ones right now, okay, which is the user must be registered and logged in to comment. If you want the user to be registered and logged in to comment on your site, you check on this box. So I'm going to check on this box right now to see the settings for this. Now I'm having an error that says you need a higher level of permission, so you're not allowed to manage this option. That is crazy. That is crazy. Okay, I think there's something wrong somewhere. Let me try to reload this. Okay, I think I'm logged out of this stuff. Oh, I'm logging as Benson Johnson. I need to change this. So that's what the user privilege is all about. When I logged in with a different account, Mr. Benson Johnson, which is actually a subscriber, I was unable to access most of these settings. Okay, so let's go back to it. So you must be registered and logged in to comment. So I'm going to go down and save changes. So I'll try to comment now. Okay, but this time around, I'm going to quickly log out and go back to the same page. So if I refresh, I'll find out that I'm unable to leave a comment on this particular post. Now it says you must be logged in to post a comment. So quickly, I'm going to log in right back, and then I would see the option for me to comment. So that's amazing. And You have an option too to automatically close comments on articles older than a particular amount of days, say 14 days. When the article is 14 days old, you don't want anyone to comment on the blog or on the particular blog post. You could set that, and email me whenever anyone posts a comment. You could also say that. You could also say a comment is held for moderation. Okay, you could also say that. Now, before comment appears, you could say the comment must be manually approved. And that means before a person comments on your site, you need to access the comment from the comments tab. Okay, this is good for you to scrutinize spam comments from the regular and the normal comments. Okay, so if you want this to be all comments to be manually approved, it's going to be quite hectic work to do though. You check on this section and you click on the save changes. But if you don't want it to be approved, you just leave it that way. And comment blacklist. They say when a comment contains any of these words in the content, name, URL, email, or IP address, it will be put to trash. One word or IP address per line. So if a person comments with a word as I'm kind of looking on something plain, big head. Okay, so we're going to check on that. I'm going to click on big head, click on save. Oh, the link I followed is expired. I need to refresh. Big head and big nose. Okay, so these are swear words or bad words. Filter. So I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to put on big head. Now I'm a site administrator. I can post this. Okay, but if I am not a site administrator and I go back and try to comment on our site using, I would need to change that privilege, user privilege, so that all users must be registered. Okay, I need to change that so all users can post, comment. Click on save changes. It's expired. Refresh. All users must be registered. Save changes. Refresh. And I'm going to try this one more time. And I would say it's duplicate comment. It looks like though you have already said that, but for some reason it's not allowing me to post that again. But I've got this bad words here, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Big head. Or maybe I should try big nose and save changes. So I'm going to go back and refresh, then try to comment when I am logged out. Okay, and refresh, and then I've got that, and I say name is just something random, and I try to post. Okay, and now it says your email address will not be published. We're not seeing the post right now because it is automatically moved to trash. So to confirm that, I'm going to log in. Okay, and I'm going to go to comments. Okay, and I'm going to go to trash, and you see I have this big nose comment. So I could come here to restore it, delete permanently, or to change it as this is spam. Now when I put this as spam, whenever I come to comment on my website, having this IP address or this email address or this full name, it's going to go to the trash or to the spam automatically. Okay, so it's not going to get it go live. And there are a whole lot of options for us to utilize. If you want to show the avatars of everyone who commented, just like we have here, if you see for this one, we have this WordPress default avatar and my own avatar right here. If you want to show it, fine, use the session. If you don't want to, use the session. Okay, and then if you want to show the default avatar, you could pick any of the one highlighted here. Okay, so I'm actually going to break this video right now because I think it's long enough. I had to take my time to explain all of this so you understand what each functionality is doing and how it does it. Okay, I think I was unable to explain some few of them, but I would urge you to do some research on them to get a bright insight about it. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video when we'll be talking about media options. Bye bye.